I need to get one of those.
55 pounds. What do you do with it? Just check it in?
We're at another sneaker store now. It's called Cop Garden. Apparently this is the best resale store in the Philippines. I think they had a table at the event I was at last week. I don't really want to buy it. I don't have room in my luggage, so I really can't buy anything, but this is why I shouldn't go shopping. Boom, 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 ooh, boom, boom, boom. Auto lacing. They're moving a table. Lowe's. Boom. That concludes our tour of Cop Garden. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
It's a figurine statue thing. This time it's only a 12-hour flight. We are back in Canada. Oh my God, I feel like I've been gone for like 8 years. But we are back. I also forgot to water my plant while I was gone, so it's completely dead. I am so excited to be back home, if only for the rest. I mean, it has been an amazing 3 weeks out in New York and in Manila. But it's nice to be home. It's nice to sit down, be able to sleep in my bed, be able to, you know, like just finally unpack. And I have all these clothes that I got given and that I bought that I can finally just unpack. I can stop living out of a suitcase. Traveling is really fun, but when you have to travel and work at the same time and you're on a 13-hour time difference and have to wake up at 5 in the morning every single day, it gets a little bit draining. So I am very glad to be home. I mean, like, I miss having a shower that actually fits me. The shower where I was staying was much too tiny. I miss my bed. I miss my closet. I miss my friends. And most of all, I have to say, I missed my boosted board. It is so nice to have my boosted board back. I also really missed my studio. I mean, this is where I do all my work and I haven't been here in like 3 weeks. It's nice to be back home. I say it's nice to be back home. I'm honestly not even home for that long. We are right back out in like less than a week. I'm here from now until November 6th-ish, and then I'm either going to Minneapolis or Chicago, or Minneapolis and Chicago. I haven't really worked out the details of this yet. From November 6th to 8th, I think. And then we're going from there back home for a few days, and then off to Tokyo freaking Japan for November 13th to 20th, which I am just ecstatic about. Tokyo freaking Japan. Like I've been saying on Twitter, I just have this new commitment to bringing you the best possible videos, and going to Tokyo to film some amazing videos that I have planned in Tokyo is certainly the way to do that. I hope you guys are excited as me. And then I fly straight from Tokyo on November 21st to New York on November 22nd, and I'm there for Soul Exchange Brooklyn, or Soul Exchange New York, at the Brooklyn Expo Center on November 23rd. Come see me, come say what's up. I'm super excited for it. Then I head home on November 25th or 26th, back home to Canada for like a week, and then beginning of December, we have a huge announcement. If you guys follow me on Twitter or listen to the podcast, you know what this announcement is. If you don't listen to the podcast, listen to the podcast. I honestly completely forgot about this. The Off-White Ikea stuff releases at 6 in the morning. It's like 11 o'clock at night right now. And Eric and I wanted to check out the line. Yeah, outside of the rug, I don't really want anything, but I just wanted to check out the line. What do you guys... What do you do? I feel so bad for the people that lined up for 14 hours outside last night. It's noon the next day. I just phoned IKEA and they have almost all the items sitting there still. Eric, what do you want to buy?
The clock. It's the most functional piece. It tells you what time it is. Like, it does things.
Yeah, this sucks. Everything is gone except for there's a bed and sheets for the bed. Toolkit. There's a toolkit. Yeah, there's really only the toolkit. How many do you have?
4.
I thought they were dumb.
Yeah, and if there's 4 of them, they're smart together. 4 brains are better than 1. You're a tool.
Thankfully, IKEA wasn't the only place releasing stuff this weekend. We are back, just like we always are, at Livestock. It's sort of nice to be back. I accidentally slept in and woke up like 18 minutes before the store opens, but there's only like 10 people in front of me. So I think we're good. Before we get to the shoes, I just want to take a look at what they have on the shelf. I mean, I've been gone for 3 weeks and they don't really have that many new things. They have Gore-Tex Air Force Ones, which I have to admit I was very excited to take a look at. And then they have these undercover waffle racer things, which I honestly thought were Sakai's for half a second. And I mean, besides that, they have the John Elliott LeBrons and Seattle 10s, and that's really about it. More importantly, we have these. Let's take a look at these. So one small problem with showing up 15 minutes before the store opened is that size 12 was sold. Oh wow. Oh wow, these are so freaking nice. I haven't seen these. They didn't pull them out of the box for me at the store. Wow. Oh my god, I need to find a size 12 of these. They didn't have a size 12. Apparently these are a little bit more limited than most of the Yeezy 500s, and I am stuck with a size 13. I cannot wait to put these on my feet. These things are absolutely amazing. What, these things look so, wow. This is the best Yeezy 500. I don't care, this is the best Yeezy 500. Oh my goodness. You know, the size 13 fits. I can make do with the size 13. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love these. This is just an absolutely incredible shoe. I was saying, what are the last Yeezys that we took a look at? The Ye Chills? I think the last Yeezys we took a look at were the Ye Chills, and I was saying that I love them because Adidas did something different. By the way, this table is super wobbly. My apologies. I'm gonna fix this as soon as the video. You know what? I'm gonna try and fix this right now. 1 second. Okay, that's better, I think. Table is slightly less wobbly. What I was saying though is that I liked the Ye Chills so much because they actually did something different. It was no longer just the grays and the blacks and the creams and the sort of blue but not really blues. Like, they put colors on them, and I think that's why I like this one so much too. I also just love pink shoes. Like, if you guys are longtime viewers of the channel, you know how I feel about pink shoes. I love them. Now, this isn't full-on pink. This is more of like a magenta, a lilac. I'd probably call these a lilac. Who knows what soft vision means? What is the official color of these? The official color is soft vision, and soft vision. I hate to break it to you, Adidas. Soft vision is not a color. It's just a name that sounds, does it even sound cool? I don't even know if it sounds cool. That being said, I'm so excited to have these in hand. I couldn't get a size 12, which I'm a little bit bummed out about. But wow, what an amazing pair of shoes. What an amazing pair of shoes. I love these things. I am going to have these things on feet probably way too much. I'm taking these to Japan with me. I've decided. I'm taking these to Japan. I would love a size 12. If you're in Winnipeg or even in Canada, if you're in Canada and you want to sell me a size 12 for retail or trade for this, I would be more than happy to hear you out. Don't DM me on Instagram. I'm never gonna see it. Send me an email, please, because I really want a size 12 of these. I want to take these to Japan with me. These are absolutely, I love these. Like, these are just incredible. I can't say this enough. Good job, Yeezy. Good job, Adidas. Good job, Kanye. I love these things. Maybe I'm just hyping these up for no good reason and I'm a little bit crazy. Most of you guys probably think I'm a little bit crazy for how much I love these things. This is my favorite 500, for sure. Like, no questions asked. This is my favorite Adidas 500. The retail, what is the retail on these? Like $200? It's not that bad, or maybe it's $220 now, I'm honestly not sure. It's a fair price though. It's not like the 700s where they're taxing you $300, which is just stupid for what you're getting for the price. This is a fair price. I think this is the cheapest Yeezy model outside of the Calabasas, but the Calabasas doesn't really count. Of course, the upper is just all that one shade of this lilac, lavender, purple. The suede is a little bit more gray. The mesh is a little bit more bright purple. The leather is about the same shade as the mesh. Like, it's all the same color, but there's just different levels of saturation of that color throughout. As I said, the suede is a bit more muted than the mesh and the leather and the rubber. And then moving on to the outsole, of course, you got that gum bottom. I love that contrast between the purple color, the pink color, and the gum bottom on the outsole. Like, this is just an amazing shoe, perfect for fall. I know most people look at this and they don't think fall shoe. No, this is a fall shoe. This is a perfect fall color. You could throw this on with like some khaki, olive, even like a maroon jacket. If you have a maroon jacket and you want to throw it on with this, it's all gonna work because it's a muted enough tone that you're gonna be able to wear this with all of your fall colors, your oranges, your blacks, your grays, like all that stuff you're good to go with on this pair of shoes. I think this is just, wow, absolutely incredible. You know what, I'm just gonna leave it there, absolutely incredible. Those are my final words on the Yeezy 500 Soft Vision, and as always with the new pair of Yeezys, you know we have one thing left to do with these. Okay, I was trying to ask Eric what he thought of the new Yeezys, but I can't find Eric anywhere. So I can't ask him what he thinks of the new Yeezy. I was so excited to see what he thought of the new Yeezys. It's okay though, I'll just save it for tomorrow.